welcome everyone. Welcome to the current module. Now we'll be looking up at how to print the names of all the Facebook friends you are having. Right. So we'll be building a script in advanced UFT descriptive programming for this. Okay. So what I'll be doing is that first of all, this is my FB page on which all the friends are listed. Okay, the issue which we face is that if I scroll down, okay, more and more friends they load at runtime. Okay, let me refresh this page just a minute. I'll just refresh this page, and right, so this page has refreshed. Okay, so if I scroll down, you'll see that more number of friends will appear as I keep on scrolling down. Right. So we need to build a script which can print the number of total number of friends and their names as well. So if I create an object set obj or set my page equals to browser with creation time colon equals to 0 dot page. I've explained you these things in the previous sessions, right? Page equals to dot star. So you have the page object. Fine. And now I'll have to find a common property between all the friend names which are listed on this page. Okay, I'll have to find a common property between all the names so that I can extract them in one go. Alright, so if I use the object spy, fine. If you investigate each and every friend name, okay, each and every name is a link, but there is no such, you can say, a unique property or a class name or an HTML ID or a name which can uniquely uh, describe or which can be a common property for all the friend names except one property height which I am seeing. Right. So let's try with height. If it doesn't work, then we'll use something else. Okay. So I'll create a description known as set description equal to description dot create description make class dot value is a link because the friend name is a link, right? And description height dot value equals to, if you look at the object spy, right, the height is 16 for every link. For every link the height is 16, so I have decided to take the height property, right, and then extract the friends, okay, equals to my page. From the page get the child objects which match my description, okay, and print friends dot count. Okay, now when you run this program, it will run and extract, and in the output you'll see that it is printed 20 friends. It's correct. If you want to print the names of the friends, you can print them like in a for loop for I equals to 0 to friends dot count minus 1, because I'm starting from 0, it should be minus 1, and print friends, the ith friend dot get arrow property inner text. Okay, so when you run this code, right, it will run and see that it's printing the names of the friends, but it will only print the names of 20 friends. You will have to scroll down. Okay, you will have to scroll down to print the names of the rest of the friends. I'll just comment this code. So first of all, you should be scrolling down the page till the time you have reached the last friend. Okay, and then you can actually print the names, right? So how do you scroll down? You have to scroll down using the script, the shell script. Okay, you will have to write like this: set, uh, you can create the object. Okay, create the object obj shell equals to, you can use the create object function, create the object of w script dot shell. Okay, and obj shell dot, when you write dot you'll get a lot of functions. You will have to execute the function send keys, right? And in the curly brackets you can write p page down pgdn. Fine. If I just run this from this line number 9, you will see that the scroller will scroll down. Okay, if I run this from here, hold on, hold on, let me run this from the very beginning, and I'll keep the browser maximized. Okay, you see that now as soon as I maximize my browser, it's scrolled down. Okay, actually the browser should be maximized in order to bring the scroll down effect, so it scrolls down by a certain margin. Okay, so now what I'll do is that I'll write a while loop, while true. Okay, I'll write an infinite while loop. Okay, and I will print the friends count over here. Fine. Right, after that I will scroll down. I'll put the scrolling down command 5 times so that I actually reach the bottom of the page, because it scrolls down, it just presses page down once. Okay, I'll put it 5 times so that I actually hit the bottom of the page. After hitting the bottom of the page, I'll extract the friends again, right? And before scrolling down, this is my old friend count equals to friends.count. And after scrolling down, you extract the friends again. So new friends count becomes equal to friends.count again. So you extract the count again, right? And you print the friends count over here. So right now I have not put up a mechanism where I'll exit this loop. When will I exit this loop? I'll exit this loop when both these counts are equal. Okay, that means after scrolling down as well, number of friends, they don't increase. Okay, but in every iteration I'm printing friends.count as well, which is updating itself. Alright, so if I run this, just this much of the program, fine, let me run this and maximize the browser. If I just syntax error line number 22, okay, sorry, yeah. I'll run this now. So you'll see that, see, it goes to the bottom of the page, loads more friends, again and again it is loading more friends, right? It is scrolling down. I have a lot of friends, okay, so it will take a lot of time, but if you look at the output in UFT, you see that the number of friends, they are increasing. Okay, I'll stop the script, just a minute. Now because I have maximized my UFT, the page down effect was not happening properly. Okay, in the end you were just seeing 219 219 219 because I actually maximized my UFT, so page down was kind of getting fired on UFT. Okay, so don't do that. Let the browser be maximized, and you can keep a control over here that if the new friends count becomes equal to the old friends count, then break out of the exit while. You need to exit the loop. Okay, fine. Now there is nothing known as exiting from a while loop. The break statement will not work in VB. It is there in the other languages. So I will make a variable known as, hold on, you need to act a little smart. Exit loop equals to false. Okay, you write over here while not of exit loop, or not of exit loop will always be true, and over here you make exit loop equals to true. So not of, as soon as the control comes over here, exit loop will become true, not of true will become false, and you will exit the loop, right? And this way, when you exit the loop, friends will have the total number of friends, this set, and then you can print it as well if you want, right? Or you can print the names before exiting as well, print all names over here, right, by writing this code. I'm not going to run it because it will take a lot of time. I have over 700 to 800 friends, but it will work for sure. Okay, right? And then you exit. Fine, so this way it will work, and it does work. I have tested it as well, and you can print the names of your friends.